Hello guys, so this video is about the corner reflector. So these are the two diagrams that you can draw while during your exam अगर question आया तो. So this is the first diagram. First diagram में क्या बता रहे हैं कि this is the antenna feeding element which is radiating the EM rays, EM waves, and these EM waves are getting reflected back to the same direction from where it has come. So ये जो reflecting device है, it is made up of number of metal surfaces. अगर प्लेन रिफ्लेक्टर में तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा, so it has only one metal surface and वहाँ से ये radiate हो रहा. But now here we have this corner shape. So this corner shape is actually improving the signal strength and also directionality. So ये this is the vertex. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक जो antenna है, so this distance is denoted as D. So the distance between the vertex and the feeding antenna is denoted as D. This is the length. This is the length. And now we have the second diagram. This is the top view. So where this is the height and this is the DA, that is the aperture size. So these parameters for the good reflector, for the good reflector to work, this DA, that is the aperture size of the reflector, must be less than lambda and greater than 2 lambda. And this distance should be less than lambda by 3 and greater than 2 lambda by 3. अगर ये याद कैसे रखना है, तो अभी ये DA है, DA तो याद रख लो, that is it is less than 2 lambda. अभी D कैसे याद रखोगे, सेम वैसे के वैसे लिखो, but divide by 3 and 2 lambda divide by 3 आगे लिख दो. Now length should be 2D, DG should be, that is the spacing between the grid wires, must be less than lambda upon 10. और ये जो हाइट होना चाहिए वो 1.2 to 1.5 which should be greater than the total length of feed element. I hope तुम लोगों को याद हो जाएगा. These parameters are very important when you write the corner reflector. Corner reflector में these two diagrams and these parameters and features that include applications like it is used in radar system, like a military defense. So these are the features that you can add. And starting definition that what is corner reflector, how the EM waves are getting reflected back to the same direction, and how the reflecting device is made. It is made up of number of metal surfaces. So